Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Muhammad Saqib and I am excited to welcome you to this course, Python for Absolute Beginners Zero to Confidence. This course is especially designed for complete beginners. If you have never written a single line of code or if programming feels confusing or scary, this course is for you. You don't need any prior programming knowledge. We will start from absolute basics. In this course, you will learn Python step by step in a simple and practical way. We will cover core concepts and you will also build some real mini projects in this course. By the end of this course, you will be able to write Python programs confidently and understand also how programming logic works. This course focuses on clarity, practice, and building confidence. And if you are ready to start your programming journey with Python in a calm and beginner friendly way, I invite you to join this course. Let's start learning Python together. Thank you.